Hi everyone! In this video, I'll review the Bloom Investing app and help you decide if it's worth using or if you should leave it. Let's dive in. The Bloom Investing app allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs and cryptocurrencies using a simple and intuitive interface for beginners. One of the pros is its low fees, making it an affordable option for new investors. You can also start with a small amount of money, which is great if you're just getting started with investing. A con is that Bloom doesn't have as many advanced trading tools as some other investing apps, so it may not be suitable for experienced traders. If you're a beginner investor looking for a simple platform with low fees and easy access to investments, Bloom might be worth it. But if you need advanced tools and more investment options, you might want to explore other apps. And that's it. I hope this Bloom Investing app review helped you decide if it's right for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.